Why's life gotta be so hard? Why's burning out gotta look like stars? Why's it always so close but just so far? Why's heaven so hard to get to? And why's the devil know all the right moves, Lord? Your help is long overdue. But hold on, morning's coming, it's almost here. Hold on, yeah, let go of the fear. Hold on, he's here. I said hold on, morning's coming, it's almost here. And hold on, yeah, let go of the fear. Hold on, he's here. I said hold on, morning's coming, it's almost here. And hold on, yeah, let go of the fear. Hold on, he's here. Why's God gotta take so long? Why's waiting the hardest part? Why's labor have to leave scars? I said hold on, morning's coming, it's almost here. And hold on, yeah, let go of the fear. And hold on, he's here. Sing it with me, morning's coming, it's coming. I need you to sing it like you believe it, to have faith. I know you're going through it. Morning's coming. Hold on, keep on living. Morning's coming. Yeah, hold on. Oh.